Hello guys, CGCAKE is here. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a proper retopology. Recently I have created this boxer. I have sculpted it. Now it's a high poly one. So as you see guys here how much triangles I have for this mesh. It's around 10 million triangles. So that's quite high for animation or sorry. So yeah, like now basically we're gonna do the retopology. First we're gonna I'm gonna activate the screencast so you can follow me along. Um, First thing is to press Shift A and select the plane. Press R and then select the X axis to rotate. Move it a bit forward here, a bit like that. Now we're gonna give it a mirror modifier. And then normally first thing that I do is to begin with the like with the edge loops around the eyes. Normally around the eyes, the shoulder, the waist, and legs. But yeah, we begin like step by step. So also first thing to do is to give it a shrink wrap modifier, and you select the object. So now we have our squares here. I'm gonna make them smaller. Also, I'm gonna select only this mesh for better view. I'm gonna set the origin to geometry. Okay, so now we're gonna select the snap, and then we select the face project individual element. So normally that's it. So now I switch the view to the random here, so it gives us a random color for each object. It's better for visualization. Now what I should do is I go to the object tab here and go to viewport display, and we put it in front so we see it here. And there is another problem: when you switch like this, you can see it there. Later on it's gonna be difficult to visualize, so what you can do is you go here and then backface calling. So you see when you activate that, it doesn't show from that side. Okay, so now like we extrude, E to extrude, sorry. E again to extrude here. E again. I'm gonna make it smaller because that's a bit too much. And it's better like to make them kinda equal, like the number from above, it's equal to the number of edges here, like from below. So like basically like this. So we have this here and this here, and the two here and the two here. That looks nice. And it's always better to begin really slowly and make sure everything is alright from the beginning, because it can be really complicated later on. So make sure you take your time. Don't go too much on subdivision. We don't need subdivision now. Use the least amount of squares around, and then you can subdivide them quickly later on. But now it's just better to really focus on the edge loops, the deformation, and how you see your character later on behaving. So yeah, basically now I'm gonna just press 3 to select the face mode. I select this one and then press Shift T and duplicate it to make the mouth edge loop. In the mirror now it's time to activate the clipping. We clip these together, and now we are doing the mouth loop. So yeah, this is the most tedious part, like is the retopology in general. It's the most tedious part in the 3D work, and but it is important. So it's really good that you must focus, give it proper time, learn it, and do it. Yeah. And now I take another loop around. I will make the ears. Yeah, like that. When I first began this, I really used to go really heavy on subdivision. I thought it's a good thing, but then with experience, it turned out to be a bad thing. When you do retopology work, it's better to go really slowly and even carefully. But yeah. Extrude another one, press F to fill there, and normally make some adjustments here and there. Make sure everything is alright. Make sure it's behind actually the lobe of the ear. Okay, should be fine. So 1, 2, 3. No, yeah. So you see, like it's we have equal edges. That's a good practice to have from the beginning. All right. And that's why we use the mirror modifier. So all what you do from this side, it will be on the other side. So all good. Should be fine. Yeah. So yeah, I try to don't go too much on edges and stuff. So I'm gonna delete some for now. In the beginning, it's gonna look kinda bad, of course, but as long as you keep working, it will be better with time. So yeah, now normally I extract this one. I'm gonna extrude this only this point from here. to here. That should be fine. So normally now I should extrude this one. Yeah, extrude this one here. And then, yeah. Yeah, because this is the shrink wrap modifier here, and this wasn't activated, so it it's really confusing. You don't see the line properly, so if you activate this, you can see everything right. So this is cool. I should have activated this since beginning, but I just realized now. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect this. Actually, I can delete this, like select this face, press Ctrl X or X, and then delete faces. And then select this edge again and this, and then press F. So that's connected there. Now we do this part of the body. We give it at least one loop here. And then I want an edge loop here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another one from here. Extrude this one. Here, here, and then here. Oh, actually it's better to slice this one here, so it still follows the edge around here, like that. And then what we can do is extract that one, give two here edge loops, add two edges, and then so what we can do is we press F to fill all of this, and then here we press G, and you select this, and you press G again. So now everything is connected. So now if you remember here, we have like this, the head of the nipple here. What we can do about it is make a circle. But for now, I see I have a triangle here and I don't like that. So how we can solve that is by make this goes up a little bit, delete this edge. So this it's already connected there, but these are not connected, and that's the problem. So if I resolve this, it's a problem still, because we need that edge loop. What we can do is, okay, wait, put this down. We need another loop here, that's and make so that makes sense now. So it's all good, because I will add them here, I can add them there, and what I can do is continue to work the face structure, because we have like this part which is a chin, and it should go like this. It's quite a bit too close to that, but that's no problem. Maybe I can do it like this, still work. Yeah, something like that, and then we can take this part and no, like that, yeah. And then extrude here. That's the chin. Press 3 again, delete this. And then maybe you can use this part like that. It's still better. So delete this one and then connect this to this. And then we're gonna have a triangle here, I think, but it's not a big deal because it doesn't deform around here. Yes, at last. So this is a cheekbone, and I'm gonna take another one, another edge loop here. It goes from the nose to here. I'm gonna extrude this one more time because there are always some deformation around the mouth and we need to respect that. So I'm gonna just give it space. Try to do the best I can. And then we're gonna find a way to connect them, and it's gonna be a very nice loop around the mouth area whenever there is a smile or rings or anything, so it's gonna be visible. And that's why we do the topology first place, for these things. And also to lower the triangle count, the faces count, and it's gonna be good on the performance, especially if you do a game or you're creating a game, you need some character or anything. It's better to have it on low poly, and this is what's mean low poly, to have them on low faces or triangles. All right, so now we can continue. I'm gonna add another loop. And then do it like that. Now it makes more sense. So yeah, guys, basically I did some correction around the neck. So this is how it should look. So basically it's following the edge loop of the muscles of the neck here, and as soon as I press subdivision, you can see how beautiful it is. It's well done. So yeah, we shouldn't neglect any kind of edge loops if you want to have a good retopo. So now we should connect these to this, and I think we can connect this to this and press M and center. Yeah, we can do that. At center. F. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. Actually, we can verify that. Perfect, beautiful. Um, no. Um, so this goes to here at last. This and then F. And no, actually, and then do like that. And here we add maybe one like this, and then boom, boom, that's it. We can add another edge loop here and connect this with G. So if we verify now, it's just very nice. It's just that we have some kind of tiny issues. We can edit that, so that's beautiful, beautiful. So now we should be able to continue the face part. And the other half of the face is kind of distracting from this perspective, so I'm gonna try to avoid it by deactivating the mirror modifier. So as you can see, it's like it feels better when you work the side. And now what I can do is just press F. Need to check if they are connecting here. Now it works. We do the same thing from here. Now it does. Yeah. And now we should be able to verify by activating the subdivision modifier. And it's not quite bad, but you see some deformation here, and that's caused by the vertex. If you select the vertex here and check, they are quite a bit so as soon as you fix that like that, problem is fixed. So basically now we just keep following along the edges that we created, and that's it. This is the mouth part now. So we can extrude this vertex. And then another one. And then we basically fill up these parts together. Like so we're good now. We created the mouth part. So that's it, guys. I mean, that's how you do the retopology. It's not, I think it's not really quite perfect, but it's not really bad. I think it does the job. Um, but yeah, so thanks guys for watching. I hope you learned something new on how to do the retopology for beginners. And so yeah, guys, see you next time.